Hi everybody, the Home Service Pro here. Today I'm going to show you how to change the shear pins on a Kubota snowblower. It goes on a BX 1500 series Kubota tractor. I was snowblowing the other day. I hit a chunk of ice and I blew both of the shear pins on the augers. I'll show you how to change those today. Let's get right after it. Okay, so here's the front of the snowblower. The shear pins on the augers they go right there. I don't know if you can see the hole here or not. But what I'm going to do is there's still part of it that's in the hole going through the shaft. So what I'm going to do is take a screwdriver and a hammer, and I'm just going to tap the rest of this back out of here. There we go. And here's the existing shear pin. You can see that it actually sheared right off there. The rest of it, well, actually it's sitting right here. So this is what it looks like with it all put together. So I do have a replacement. These are the replacement shear pins. They do make a couple of different styles, but this is the style that I got from the Kubota tractor dealer. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this back in through the hole. Just got to get it lined up. That's the hardest part. Let me try and go in from the other direction. There we go. Once I got it started there, I'm going to go ahead and gently tap that in with my hammer to get it to come through. There we go. It's popped all the way through there. Go ahead and put the new nut on. And then you're going to need 2 half-inch wrenches to tighten that up. You'll have to hold back up on the back side. Well, you go ahead and tighten this side. You don't need to get it super tight because these are locking nuts, and you want that to be able to not break when you tighten that down. So let me get you switched over to the other side. So you can see the hole here for the shear pin on this side. I've already knocked the plug out of this one because I wanted to make sure I got the right shear pins. So you can see this just spins freely right now. That's because there's no shear pin in there. You're going to take your screwdriver, put it in the hole, and just slowly rotate that around, and that'll line up to where you can line your hole up for the new shear pin. Got the new shear pin right here. I'm going to pull that screwdriver out. Now that I got that lined up, put that guy in there. That one pushed straight in for us. Let me get the new nut. Go ahead and get this one started. Tighten down as far as you can by hand, then grab your 2 half-inch open end wrenches again. And just snug that up. And there we go. So now both of them are locked on. So we should be good to go. Let's give it a try and see how we did. Well, there you go, guys. We got the tractor. It's working the way it's supposed to. The shear pins are working perfectly. I'm going to link a couple other videos that I've made at the end of this. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow. And remember, have a great day, and you got this. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching.